is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, one, it's a little different. As you can tell, I'm not holding the camera. I actually have one of my guys holding the camera for me. Something a little different. See how we like it, go from there. But guys, I know it's been a long time since I had a video out. It's been 4 months since I've had a video out. No excuses. I do have the content. This content is going to be in this video is actually, I believe, a month, 3 weeks to a month old, something like that. I've had the footage for a while, so I put it all together last night, and I went and looked. I'm like, man, it's been 4 months since I put out a video. The last video we put out was where we had the 24 manifold on the 18 Mustang GT and compared it with the 24 manifold against the 18 manifold. A lot of you guys watched that. I appreciate that. As you can see, speaking of dynos, we do have a DynoJet dyno in-house now. We've had it in-house since the beginning of April. I made a post of it. If you follow me on Facebook, on the business on Facebook, HPR, I did make a post on Facebook talking about that we do have a DynoJet dyno in-house now, and I do have some content coming for you guys with that. We are going to be doing some comparison videos similar to the video we did with the 24 intake manifold, comparing manifolds, especially with the ESS kit, seeing, you know, how they all stack up. We're going to be doing that for you guys. So leave a comment down below if something that you want to test it out, and then if we can make it happen, we will. We're also going to be bringing you some before and afters of customer cars that allow it. Some cars that I do, customers do not want me to share their dyno numbers or even the build information. I have a decent amount of customers that are like that, but the customers that will allow me, we're going to start doing on select builds. We're going to start doing some before and after to see how everything stacks up. I think one of the videos we're going to be doing once we get the car done, we did a baseline run on a 13 GT500, and now we're about to put cams, upgrade the supercharger, and then long tubes, and then retune it, and then show how much power that picks up. I know a lot of people enjoy those types of videos, so that's some of the content you're going to be seeing this year coming from me, along with the Dragstrip content. So speaking of the Dragstrip content, guys, that's what is in today's video. We took the 16 GT out, and guys, I will update you on that, on the 16 GT, the progress on it on another video. But we took the 16 GT out, and we competed in a race in Gleason, Tennessee, at Gleason Raceway. So in the video, we're competing in a limited street class, and if you're anywhere around Gleason, Tennessee, and you want to come down and race, so I'll put all the rules for that class in the description. If you meet those rules, come out and join us and have some fun. I don't know how many times I said, guys, do you think this is a good video?
Yeah.
You think it's good? I don't need to change anything?
No, I think it's good.
The background looks good. My red and my purple.
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that.
Yeah,
like I have. So guys, really quick, the red and the purple. So the toolbox was supposed to be red, and it was purple, and then the top was actually red, and the bottom come in purple for some reason. Well, then he got me the red stuff to go on it, but then we figured out how hard it was to get those pieces off, and they're a nightmare. So I said, you know, and I had so many people that says, man, I like the purple, and so I was like, you know what? Give me the purple pieces, and I have yet to go in and replace all the red that we've started with purple. Anyway, nevertheless. So if any of you, I know it just, my OCD kicks in when I see that. And I know some of you might point it out, so I just wanted to address it. Anyway, guys, let's get to the video. Tonight's a lot of testing. We got the 8 rib on, so I'm not sure, you know, I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna have to put a different tensioner on it, but we haven't yet. We're still on stock tensioner, so I'm hoping I don't get a lot of belt slip, but we'll be able to tell throughout the night. We cleaned the blower up really good before we came here, so we'll see what happens. Thank you. Yeah, 605 at 118 with a 147.60. All right, let's look at the log and see what we did. Alright guys, first race we got the Fox body. We ran him last year in a silver car. He's got a new motor set up. We got another different car, so we're gonna see how we do tonight. If we don't get through this round, then I'm gonna test the rest of the night. So no big deal on my end. We're testing a lot of stuff out tonight, so. That was a hell of a race. God, that was a hell of a race. I came around him at the very end. Like, that was one hell of a race. Like, I thought he had me. 601 at 118 with a 140, 142.60. All right, guys, here we go. Only 4 of us showed up, so we're in the finals. I've got a pretty nasty 69 Camaro that I'm racing. So we're gonna try to do our best here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So a 601 again at 118 with a 145.60. We won by a tenth, a little over a tenth. So pretty close racing that in itself right there.
Hey, which lane were you?
Left?
Oh, you on?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You were left lane. We can't tell which lane you were like. The 6-0 looked like you were on the other side based on the...
6-0 at 118.
Yeah, we won.
Did you get him on the tree?
He got me. I came around his ass.
You come around him?
I come around his ass.
I see that plane was coming. That's not even a street car. That's a drag car.
I know.
All
right, guys. So as you can see, we did win that class, and now we have done stuff to the car, which you'll see in a video coming up, to where we have made it a little quicker, even with that pulley combination, and we do plan on turning it up a lot more this year. We're waiting on some grip tech pulleys to come in for the 8 rib setup. So once we have that, we will be pulling the car down and going forward with the car. If you guys remember, we rent 590s with the G3X setup, and now we have the G3R. So you know, this year, once we get everything lined out in the car is gonna be pretty stout. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, share the video if you can, and we will see you next time. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The sun's hitting me a little bit. Let's try to go in a little bit. Okay, so try to film it from this point. Tell me how it looks.
All right, hang on. Oh yeah, that's still doable. Right there is still doable.
Doable?
Yeah.
All right, go. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You sure?
Yeah.
All right, what is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys,